Welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this video tutorial I'll show you some easy steps how to unhide rows in Excel, which will show the data in these rows. So let's have a look at it. In the last lesson we learned how to hide rows in Excel. Now let's turn our attention on how to unhide them. Usually it's not hard to identify rows that have been hidden in a worksheet. One method for locating them is to search for a double line, similar to this one, among the row headings. A skipped order of numbers can be indicative of rows being hidden also. Typically, the numbers progress in a sequence of 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. In this case, row 3, 4 and 5 have been hidden, as we can see row 6 right below row 2. It's now time to learn two simple ways to unhide rows. Here is the first way that we'll look at. First, you must choose the rows you wish to make visible. To unhide rows in a spreadsheet, select the rows immediately above and below the hidden rows that you wish to unhide. To make the hidden rows visible again, right-click and select the Unhide option. These rows will then be displayed in the table on the screen and will also be included in the printed sheet. We'll undo these changes to take a look at the second method of uncovering rows in Excel. Select again the rows we want to unhide. To unhide the selected rows, we can go to the Home tab, go to the Cells section, click Format, then select the Hide and Unhide option from the menu and click Unhide Rows. Great, we're almost done here. I have two helpful tips to share with you. First, if the hidden row is in the first row of the spreadsheet, row 1, you will need to first select row 2, the row immediately before it, and then highlight the column heading containing the letters above. This will allow you to highlight the hidden row 1 from both sides, and you can easily unhide it following the methods we have just shown. Let me share with you the second tip. To demonstrate this, let's undo the changes we just made. Now if you want to unhide all the rows in the whole spreadsheet, click into the top left hand corner. Doing this will highlight the entire sheet. Right click on the headings, select the Unhide option, and all rows will become visible. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like us and subscribe for more videos from Sheet Leveler. You can also watch more videos that help you use Excel like a boss. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.